It's Christmas time, so who doesn't love a bit of love and murder? What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. This is the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Advent Calendar. And we have another cracker of an episode for you today.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
If you're new here, we're on a little competition. Check the description below, you can win some prizes. But today's episode, we're featuring none other than one of the legends on YouTube, David from Booze on the Rocks. I first found David's channel in the middle of COVID, like probably thousands the rest of yous out there. His recipes are really accessible and easy to make at home. And his channel is probably just one of the most fun and entertaining channels you'll come across. I'm stumbling my words because I've had a few cocktails today. Anyway, over to you, David.
Thank you, Ben, for inviting me to be part of your Advent calendar for Christmas cocktails. I'm absolutely over the moon to be part of this. Now, I am going to make a cocktail that's very much seems at odds with Christmas because it's called Love and Murder, and it's got this fantastic herbal notes and some bitterness, and it plays really, really oddly with the theme of Christmas. And I think everybody will like this. Now, the ingredients that you're going to need for this start with a little bit of green chartreuse. This will give us your fantastic herbalness and a little bit of sweetness. The next thing you're going to use is a little bit of Campari, or your favorite red Italian aperitif. This will give you some more bitterness, which is fantastic. We're also going to use a 1-to-1 simple syrup, being 1 part water, 1 part sugar. Heat it up until you're ready to go. You need, of course, a little bit of lime juice, and I'm going to use some salt, although however you could use an 80-20 saline solution, for your cocktail. So what we are going to do is we're going to grab our lime. We're going to just give this a little bit of an offset cut, and the reason for this is we need 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils. This offset cut will allow me to just squeeze it directly into the glass. Your next step is to use your salt. Now, we don't need a lot, we're just going to use a total of a pinch. Your next step is to use your simple syrup. Now, as I said, I'm using a 1-to-1 simple syrup. If you were using a rich simple syrup, you would start with 1/2 ounce. But in this case, we're going to use a full 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Your next step is your red Italian bitter, and I'm using Campari. Now, you could use something like an Aperol if you want to soften this. Kind of curious to know what you think, and I know Ben really wants to know where you'd go with this cocktail, so leave a comment down below, please. Now, you're going to use the same amount of 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Next, we're going to move to the green chartreuse. This will give us some fantastic herbal notes, as well as some extra added sweetness. What this will do is really help to balance out this cocktail. Now, we are going to use a lot for this. We're going to use a total of 1 ounce or 30 mils. Your next step, of course, is to shake this with some ice. So you want to grab your shaking tin, and we'll just basically a couple of scoops of the ice here. Pour it in and make sure it's got a really good seal, and shake it as well. And you're going to pop this off with the strength of 1,000 herbal liqueurs. You're going to put this off to the side, and you're going to grab your favorite glass. This is a nice little coupe, and I'm going to fine strain this. Oh yeah, take a look at the color. You've got the fantastic red color, and we're gonna put a nice little green lime garnish on here like so. And here you have the Love and Murder. Absolutely gorgeous, with a fantastic name that doesn't sound like it belongs for Christmas, but it does. Oh yeah, herbal, bitter, sweet with a little bit of lime. It's everything you want in a fantastically well-balanced cocktail.
Mate, got excited to try this one. Like a little bit of Campari. This one has a lot of Campari. Let's go. Wow, that's It's decadent. That is surprisingly really refreshing and easy to drink. You can see why it's it is a Christmas cocktail. It's definitely got that Christmas vibe about it. Let me tell you this, 30 mils of Campari has never been so easy to drink. This is good. David, this is a tasty, tasty treat. Thank you so much for joining us on here. Really appreciate it. And we will see you on the next one. Why is it so easy to drink?